my channel, or welcome back. My name is Kelsea Rae. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So in today's video, I want to give you guys a few holiday ideas for your knotless braids. So if you are one of the girlies out there this holiday season wearing knotless braids, look no further. I got the right hairstyles for you. Even if it's your birthday or if you're just going to a wedding or anything like that, these hairstyles will be great for you. So I have medium knotless braids and they're about butt length. I want to say butt length. I do not have the curls, so this is not bohemian, and you can add curls to braids like this. I just haven't. I kind of want to. Let me know in the comments if I should, because I kind of want to. But I just want to show you guys how I'm going to be styling my hair this holiday season, or just give you some ideas of what would you want to do with your braids this holiday season. So I wanted to show you guys a few different hairstyles to make you look super elegant and glam while wearing your protective hairstyle. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So for style number one, this is the style that I am going with. Very simple. It's literally just your hair down, and I have the two front pieces. If you have yours parted in the middle, I have the two front pieces pulled to one side. Simple, very, very easy look. So this next look, I'm going to take a few of the front pieces and I'm going to drag it to one side like this. Drag this to one side, but let me grab one more, right? And we're gonna create this into like a bang. So we're gonna leave some to the side. And then we're gonna use the rest of this hair to go up into a bun. And so take your front bangs that you created for it to be bangs, pull them to the side you want it on, and you're just curving it, leaving like some space, like leaving a little loop, and wrapping this around your ponytail. So you can leave your hair like this, a side bang and a pony if you want. Super cute. But you can also bun it. So make sure you are swinging your hair around and just kind of molding it with your hands. Don't pull too tight, but pull tight enough. You don't want to give yourself like a headache or anything like that. And if you have curly ends, this will be cute to let your curly ends like flow out of the bun. And if you don't and you have straight ends, you could do the same thing as well. And like just like let it be like not perfect, not a perfect bun. Make sure this is cute. Yes. I look so elegant. So this is another look you can give the girls. You can also secure this with a scrunchie. If you feel like you're gonna be going places and moving your head around, you can secure this with a scrunchie. But this is so nice, and if you do it tight enough, it's definitely secure. Super cute. This is so cute. So you can do like a twist here, and you can add a scrunchie to this. So the third hairstyle you can do is a twist around the front of your hair. You can also do this with a braid and have it in a ponytail, and it'll just be like a twist with a ponytail, and it gives such an elegant look. Your hair is pulled back, it's not in the way, and you look beautiful. You can wear staple earrings, big bold earrings to like bring the look together for the holidays, and this will be so cute. So the next style, you just grab a few pieces of hair. All of my braid styles, or most of my braid styles, are just me grabbing hair and just throwing it around to see what it gives. So I'm grabbing two portions of my hair from either side, twisting them together and going like tucking it under. This is like an old style my mom used to always do on her hair, and it's just like, wow, so cute. How cute. And it's real simple. So you can wear it just like this with your hair pulled forward, and that is really, really cute. And it's like a little separation between, like, stop. I'm really cute. Or you can, you know, push your hair back and then leave this front piece forward, and this is a look as well. Stop. I done gave you 2 looks in one. And that's super easy, and if you pull it tight enough, it'll stay the whole time. You can also double it and grab some more hair on the 2 sides, either side, and do just the same exact steps. Tie it again. If you want more of a fuller look, tie it again, and boom. You see what I'm saying? So now it's more hair in the front, and it's easy to keep the hair back if that's what you like. Or, like I said, bring it to the front and wear all of your hair in the front. Which one you like better, front or the back? So with this look, you can do 2 pieces in the front, grab the rest of the perimeter of the hair, and pull it to the back, right? This is the part where you can put in those like cute little holiday bows, or just those cute little bows that the girlies have been wearing lately. If you want to be a part of that girl group, like pretty dainty, cute little bow, like I think that's so cute. But this is very simple. 2 pieces, hair pulled back. This is what it looks like. So cute, right? Boom, mad cute. And even with that, you could grab just a little more hair for both sides, from either side, and then you can insert a claw clip. So the twist that I already did, I can keep it there. I can grab me a claw clip, lift it forward. I hope you can see this, and clamp it to the twist that I did. Try to get it as sturdy as you can, and make sure the hair is like flowing on either side. And girl, stop playing. Like girl, stop. So this is the last and final look. It's just a literal simple bun, and if you did have like the curly pieces, you can let them flow out, or if you have straight pieces or straight ends, you can just let them stick out as well, because you want this look to be as messy as possible. And yes, very easy. When I say all of these hairstyles are super easy for anyone to create, and it's easy for any length braids, because I know some braids are longer than others and vice versa. So these hairstyles are awesome for all different types of braids and all different lengths of braids. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite style, as well as subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.